This problem is completing a right triangle. By completing a right triangle, we mean if we're given a right triangle and we're given some information about some of the angles. Right triangle means one of the angles is 90 degrees or pi over 2 radians. And that, according to the question, that corner is denoted by C. Can we figure out the remaining sides and angles? So what are we given? We're given one corner is A, the other corner is B. The opposing sides are denoted by little small letter versions. And we're given that the angle A is 20 degrees. And we're given that side little a is 2 units. And that's all we have. All right, so what we don't know is C. What we don't know is the angle B. And what we don't know is the side B, right? Well, the angle B is easy. Angle B is going to be angle A plus B plus C. The inner angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. And if A is 20 degrees and C is 90 degrees, that leaves only 70 degrees for B. Okay. So let me write A, B, C, the angles and the sides. A is 20, B is 70, C is 90. And from the sides, so far we only know A. But that's going to be enough, because once you know the shape by knowing the angles and the scaling, and all you need is one side length, you can figure out the remaining side lengths. So we can use trigonometric functions. So what do we know? For example, we can work with 20. Sine of 20 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite of 20-degree angle. And that would be 2 over C. So from here, we can find out C is going to be 2 over sine of 20 degrees. Whatever that number is, we can use our calculator. It's not going to be one of the famous angles. We'll have to use our calculator. So how about B? We can use the same 20 degrees. So opposite over adjacent would be the tangent. Opposite of that 20 degrees divided by adjacent of that 20 degrees. And that would be 2 over B. Therefore, B is going to be, multiply both sides by B, divide by tangent 20, and you get 2 over tangent 20. Calculator. So what is 2 over sine of, let's see, sine of 20 degrees? I don't know the mode of the calculator, so I'm gonna put sine of an angle that I'm familiar with, maybe sine of 90, and I get 1. So currently the mode is in degrees. That's good. Otherwise, sine of if it was in radian, then sine of pi over 2 would be 1, but it's not in radian mode. Okay, once I know that, I can compute 2 over sine of 20. That would be 5.85. And 2 over 5.8. 2 over tangent. Oh, tangent of 20. And that would be 5.5. So that's going to be equal 5.8-ish. And this is the exact answer, and approximately that's 5.5. I forgot. Let me quickly go check the answer key. Except, of course, I made a silly mistake. The way I named my sites, C, we found C first. B is 5.5, and C, being the hypotenuse, is the longer side. Okay. All right, now it's correct.